नमस्कार, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर फिर से स्वागत है। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग द टेक्निक्स, you are seeing the results. I have received different messages on my mail, right, the problems, and I'm going to talk about one specific thing, right. So understand and do let me know in the comments, or you can mail me directly that what are your views on that. See, uh, one thing is vibe, right? You have to understand, you have to start aligning with your inner energy. That's very important. If you will not do that, you will be crushed by your environment. इट इज़ वेरी लाइक जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हैं तो हमें क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु विल क्रिटिसाइज यू व्हेन यू वांट टू डू समथिंग गुड, राइट, और व्हेन यू वांट टू लेट्स से यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर यूपीएससी, तो आसपास के लोग बोलेंगे अरे भाई तुझसे होगा, तुझसे नहीं होने वाला, इसमें बहुत होता है, ये होता है. दे विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिव कॉन्टेक्स्ट अबाउट दैट thing, right? And it depends what whether you have followed them. A lot of factors are there to drive that. So I'm talking about it in a very specific context, that when you want to do something good, there are very few people who will support you, right, who will genuinely support you. There will be very few people, but they exist. So humanity is not dead. So somebody thinking ki humanity is dead, so ऐसी बात नहीं है. Few people are still alive who will lend their hand, who will support you, who will be there for your growth, right? So such people will always exist no matter the time, what is the situation, what is the culture around you. So the culture around us is right now like if somebody is working honestly, so he will be given taglines, right? Raja Harishchandra ban raha hai, is becoming beacon of honesty or something like that. He will be taunted for his honesty. So what you want to do, these people who are taunting who are taunting people who are working honestly, who have empathy, who are compassionate, right, who have compassion, who have kindness, by targeting these people, what do they want to do? What do you want to do? What are you trying to bring actually? The culture where violence is prevalent, violence is dominant, you want to do that. It is not that these people, if you give them gun, right, they don't know how to press the trigger, of course. So that it depends on context, right? So actually the society is pushing different activities, like some news reporters, they are reporting, right, they are presenting the ground realities, and then nobody speaks for them, and then people go like, news reporters very corrupt, police very corrupt, officers corrupt, government corrupt, everyone is corrupt. What are you trying to do? Like, you should not utter that word, that sentence should not come from your mouth that some officer is corrupt or something like that. Because those who are honest, you are not doing something for them, you are not raising your voice for them. So why and how you are saying that some officer is corrupt or something like that? So you should not even utter those sentences out of your mouth, right? You should put a sellotape, or maybe go ahead and put a Fevikwik over there and go live on saline. That will be much better option, right, instead of speaking these things. So firstly, you are not even supporting those who are working honestly, and second, on the other hand, you are criticizing somebody who is working honestly, and then you are saying that सब corrupt हो गया, ये हो गया, nonsense. So that should not be done actually. That is not the right method. If you are not appreciating those who are working honestly, chances are there that they will be corrupt. Because the society, what you are praising? Are you praising the value of kindness in people? Are you praising the value of compassionate in people? Are you praising the empathetic qualities in people? Very few. So whatever gets attention, that only will amplify, right? So if you are paying attention, yeah, this person has so much material possession, no matter the methods of like acquisition, right, methods of procuring that, acquiring that, that is wrong. But then what you see, the end result. So it is not that only you can do violence, everybody can do that, right? We are humans, we got a brain, and we like no need to be right really physically strong, right? Violence can be done with mind, right? And those who are intelligent, and I think your speech, your manner of talking, that's the highest form of violence. And maybe with a gun you can kill somebody, he will die. But with your speech you can kill somebody and he will die for 10 years, thousands of years, he can die. He will die every single moment. That is the power, that is the power that people have. And so what is this society trying to promote by staying silent on those people who are working honestly? So recently in Hyderabad, lots of acres were cut off, right? There was construction going on. So these university students, Central University of Hyderabad, they protested and they were beaten, they were taken into custody. So what? And then people go like, temperature is increasing and all. You have to change your ways, right? You have to give voice to those who are already fighting for you. Otherwise you will create a culture where violence is prevalent. And because see, if right from development, this is like lifespan psychology or developmental psychology, if you will study that, you will understand like the one perspective, right? It's a very big game there. So one perspective around that can be there. If a child is doing something right and he's not appreciated for that, he has done something with his own efforts, he is doing, chances are he will grow bitter, right? Chances are he will adopt that violent, chances are that he can adopt methods which are not useful in order to attract attention. There are a lot of methods of attracting attention. So you see what people are doing for getting attention. So this video was supposed to be for something else, but it made for something else, right? So let's talk about different concepts, right, in different videos. Do let me know what you think about the same. And yeah, the core lesson of this video is that have boundaries, right? When somebody is talking to you, you will be able to understand whether they are talking from zone of self-contentment or whether they are talking from their zone of self-frustrations, inner frustrations are there. So no matter what they are talking, if you have been hurt, you have to find the right moment, you have to convey that to that person. You don't have to be silent and you don't have to listen to all those nonsense, right? So if these kind of behavior should be abolished in the society, like abusing somebody, this is a behavior somebody is abusing, right? So insulting their parents or insulting the person who is, if some mistake is done, there are methods to rectify it. Not necessarily you need to abuse somebody, right? You can do that in a right manner as well. So when somebody is talking from their zone of self-frustrations, right, inner discontentment, vibes, right, vibes are very important, right? You are able to feel the vibes. So what you do there, then and there, take note of that behavior and reply should be given. You should not stay silent when somebody is speaking foul language, using foul language, unparliamentary words. Right context should be understood, and then properly the treatment should be given, right? They should understand that, right, what you are going through, because you are equally important and nobody has any right to disrespect you, right? We are humans, we all make mistakes, right? And based on that mistake, if somebody is taunting us, so a better reply should be given, right? So do let me know this video is quite very long, right? Okay, do let me know in the comments, mail me, right? Mail me your concerns. I will be taking up making videos on that, and together we can grow. Because see, your environment doesn't you have external environment, internal environment, right? If your internal environment is in your control, surely external will influence. I don't disagree with that. But if you learn to hone that internal environment, nothing can stop you, nothing can lower your energy, right? So prepare yourself according to that, hone your energy according to that, practice the techniques, practice yoga, practice pranayama, understand the dynamics of these people. Maybe somebody is using different techniques. Maybe I will start a course on dark psychology, that can be done. So do let me know in the comments or mail me directly, that will be much better, right, so as to have a direct understanding of your concerns, so that I can provide a better solution. Right, so my mission is that people should operate from zone of self-contentment, right? These type of activities like abusing others, insulting others, making fun of others, incompetencies, that should be stopped. That person should be given right environment to develop, because this is my firm belief, and I have seen over the years, like I was teaching English vocabulary, spoken English as well, and I have seen a lot of improvements in people from that zone of self-doubt to the confident zone. They have transformed themselves. So if right atmosphere is given, everybody will develop, right? People, we have the capacity to develop. Our brain has been like that. We can develop. Right, if you want to read more about that, search about neuroplasticity, start understanding what is neuroplasticity. Okay then, thank you for watching, and do let me know in the comments, mail me your concerns, your problems, right, with the context. I will be there to help you make videos or even take personal therapy sessions if needed. Right, okay then, thank you. Keep practicing, keep shining, and keep aligning your inner energy. Keep connect with your inner energy. Once that happens, nobody in this world can ever make you feel low, right? Okay then, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.